I'm not picking sides. I got money, money, money on my mind. Money, money, money on my mind.
Money, money, money. I'm not picking sides. Money, money, money on my mind. I'm not gonna sit and waste your time.
We're undergoing a very large renovation, so I'm sorry it's not perfect. We wanted to have our first rooms, really all of our rooms, done for you guys to check in. So if you've got one of the rooms that's on our problem list, I apologize in advance. We're fully booked, so you kind of got to roll with it. But just smile through, because you guys will all be in this boat one day. This will be you. You guys will have these projects going where they're not going how you want them to, but we will get there. But we've got dinner tonight from the Abbey. Lauren's got us hooked up. So you guys feel free to get some food. We got the open bar, and after dinner at 7:30, we're going to be upstairs for the opening party. Got the bar going tonight. We'll have the DJ up there. Far side, building 8, back up 6 and 7. Just property. Building the middle property. That's a big roof on. You guys like my office. Nice to meet you. Molly, so nice to meet you. You guys
really haven't gotten to our room.
Yeah, can we get somebody to help you with those?
We could keep them right here. We could stack them table. Yeah, it's not like.
So you guys got here at perfect time. The bar is open. Food's ready. So
All right.
where'd you guys? You guys got
We drove, so we picked up Tulsa, we drove here, we stayed at Charles Islands last night and came over, stopped at a couple places.
What are you getting? Dude, fuel to keep going. Mike, we made it, brother. Yeah. Despite the hectic logistics, we made it. I don't want a full potato. You make do. As a hotel investor, you make do. Spread.
You're introing Mike, so that doesn't matter. Buck, what's Buck talking about?
Capital raising.
And Sarah.
What's Tony and Sarah's?
Deal structuring.
Deal structuring and their first hotel.
I'll just say deal structuring. And then Kevin.
Hotel branding and marketing. And then Big Daddy operations.
Ops Daddy. Is there a way we can either print that off, or should I just like spark notes it on if you have an index card or two? Oh, ready for you.
I didn't know if you wanted to print it. You said not a lot, so.
I appreciate you. This is perfect.
They ran out of eggs. They're going to have more, but they just didn't have them right now.
That's fine. I just wanted to get something on my stomach.
I need to get
And just for my own,
Love that
for the
stuff
speed
around.
dating, we settled on speakers in every corner, and we were just telling them.
sign.
Believe. So we're gonna do that in this room.
Yeah, we can have them just like go around.
Sir, morning. Set up my own.
What you want, dude?
I don't want to take up too much room. Say again? Oh, it's late. Oh, I thought it was something important. I didn't hear what you said, but I assumed it was a compliment. Do you guys like it best right here?
Right. I mean, it works there. Do you like it?
What do you want to picture most?
There's no way to make them look good on camera. I was just curious.
Why not?
Was that?
We can hide it behind. Try and hide it behind the shirt.
No, it's okay. I was just. I mean, some people clip them up here.
Yeah.
But then
Sometimes when it's
then they fall.
it makes a car fall, or if it's too close, you start getting a lot more popping.
Yeah. I was just curious.
Okay, test.
He's got it on now.
Everybody's playing Tico
On the inside, yeah.
On the inside, yeah. I've never done that yet.
Yeah. So, I mean, it works. Like I said, I mean, we could move it inside the shirt and it's still.
No, because aren't you afraid of? I'd be afraid of rubbing.
Yeah, the shirt just. Yeah.
Just look. You look better than him.
He's gonna put his jacket.
I got a good start.
I'm just teasing. I can't open. If Dave's around and I'm talking, it's usually just roasting
you have
it.
to.
Yeah.
I look enough to you that one, right? I can't.
How you feeling?
Yeah.
I feel good, man. Ready to go. Fill in from breakfast downstairs, so it's go time.
Or do we get to do it?
Yeah, it's your personal preference. If you want a lapel, you can do a lapel. If you prefer a handheld, you can do a handheld.
I'd probably prefer the lapel because my hands start going.
Yeah.
I figured I'd just give you that now since you're going first. Who made that? Looks sick. Are they close to each other or 100 acres? Should I go downstairs and start to get people out?
Yeah.
Should I go downstairs and get people? I'm good. Nicole, do you want to tell people to start rolling up?
Say like 10 minutes. Yeah, because then that'll make people think like I gotta go.
Thanks, Vic.
Like,
You want speakers on?
Hey, speaking of marketing, what's up? You know, shameless plug. Just get everybody a little 5-star
guy.
Just give him that.
while they're here.
This place is big enough.
Gotta do what you can. Construction delays had like 2 weeks so far. Not that big of a deal.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like everybody kind of does.
It's still awesome.
Even if they don't probably
100%.
the know it's rolling punches.
Yeah.
For one thing, we're now partners on this hotel, but there's a whole lot of other stuff that we've done together over that time. And I've got probably 5 or 10 people in this room that I can say the same thing about. So we're trying to foster that environment for connecting. For lunch and dinner, I'll make more announcements when we get to that time, but just know that at the end of the night, there'll be a hotel walkthrough for the VIP guests, and then following that, we'll be doing a reception with drinks and everything on the lawn. So a lot more networking over lunch, dinner, and happy hour. And I think that's about all I got on my notes for the, if I missed anything, Blake will tell me. And speaking of, for those of you who don't know Blake Dailey, I'll give a much better intro when he's actually coming up to speak, but this is the man behind Boutique Hotel Con. And I guess he's got a video too.
All right, is it my cot? We're there. How freaking cool is this, man? Look at you guys. This is awesome. Man, thank you all for coming. Thank you all for coming, and those who bought their tickets far in advance to help out my anxiety.
All right, man, I'm fired up to be here. And yes, I got the memo. Blake and I are kind of twins. He's just taller and slightly better looking. So thank you guys for having me. I really appreciate it. I'm really excited to talk to everybody. As Blake said, you know, one deal can change your life.
We got Marcel. Definitely got a great So, how you scale? I want you to think about this. I was a football player, so I have to use this analogy. But when you start out, you're in the residential, it's your side hustle, you're buying the STRs, the residential real estate, you're the player. You're the one out there doing the things, you're calling the brokers, you're managing the contractors, you're doing the design, it's you. You are the one making the plays, right?
Yeah. Yeah, thank you guys. It's so sweet.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Everybody yell like hyenas.
All right, thank you guys. All right. Maybe once we stabilize, probably 62, maybe 63 to 64. Like you're saying, I'm work to get it to 62. Thank you guys.
And a big round of applause for Blake and the First Boutique Hotel Con.
Thank you guys for being here.
And all of our speakers.
Obviously, are the painted color, and kind of what we noticed in here when we were walking through the other day is that the dark stain and the dark paint kind of darkened this room. So we had to go through it and make sure that we had enough lamps, and also pick out the lumens and the temperature for the lamps to make sure we got enough lighting. So we're going to have at least 3 if it's a single king room, or excuse me, if it's a double queen, because you have one in between, a floor lamp and a desk lamp, plus the sconce lighting when you walk in right there. And then a single king, you'll have the 2 lights on either side, a floor lamp, and everything else the same. So we'll make sure they're bright enough. And what we'll do is the backup that we talked about is paint this either this one wall either a lighter green or even a white to make it pop and get some light to filter through here. And then we'll have the blackout curtains and the transparent curtains, so they can open that up. And obviously, the patio furniture out here, so what we thought initially in our design plan was how do we blend the upgraded interiors with the upgraded exteriors. So we wanted to blend this upgraded experience that I think every room but like 8 have patios. So they've got the mountain views, they've got different views, they're going to be in these see the amenity areas. We cleared a lot of these branches to open up the mountain views and also make room for the new amenities that are going in. So we wanted to really make this feel like you can be part of the whole property and a part of that nature experience. It went into the colors we chose, the more natural Smoky Mountain colors, the artwork that we went with, and all that kind of stuff. So I really like these ceilings. Yeah, they look good.
So when you were...
They just put these in. I don't like those hinges.
Yeah.
They got new hidden hinges. Should have been a pop latch on the inside.
Yeah.
That's literally what I told them. Word for word. So change order, contract order.
Question though, because so it was too dark. You're like, okay, what do we do? Did you do a cost analysis on just repainting versus adding lights?
Well, it's just the light bulbs that we choose. This is going to be a place with the views. You can see all the new amenities that we have here. I thought there was windows behind this wall, but they were closed in. So these cabinets are what we're actually repurposing, saving money, putting those in the bridal suite. Cleaning the appliances, obviously, we're putting those in there as well. So as the ladies are getting ready, popping champagne, doing makeup, and then we'll come get them on our 6-seater golf cart and take them over to the venue and get married. So
Do the guys do anything, or are they like in the basement?
Maybe we've got a suite above building 1.
Okay.
I want to hear the conference drama afterwards, like what happened behind the scenes that I didn't see, because I was like,
what happened after the drinks?
Doing all this stuff.